IVM.
Hello one, hello all. Welcome to the Diary of the Traveling Professor. And this is Siddharth Deshmukh, your friendly neighborhood traveling professor himself. This latest diary entry of mine is about a lesson that I've learned in lockdown, and I'm just trying to, talk it through with you guys. So just think about it this way. I'm talking about the success of any rule or any guideline or any principle is totally dependent on its execution. If you notice the way in which the center has come up with guidelines or rules or stuff like that during this lockdown, and its successful or not so successful implementation in the various states, it's a direct correlation of how well those rules have been implemented or not. What I've noticed is this, that nobody likes rules being thrown upon them. We don't, our municipal commissioner doesn't, our chief minister doesn't, and so on and so forth. But we still have to live by somebody else's rules, especially in times of crisis, and the lockdown is certainly one. So therefore, the success of any lockdown or the success of any initiative that the government or any corporation or even a family takes is totally based upon its implementation. Now, we recognize this at a personal level. We do recognize that if we keep eating the way we do and we don't work out, then, we are going to get fat because we haven't implemented our plan. But the moment we start making it more abstract, then things start getting lost in translation. And we find that we start following the letter of the law rather than the spirit of the law. So if you've been told that you can't be outside during a certain time of the lockdown till a certain time, you will always try to stretch the rules. You'll try to bend the rules. And, I'm no exception. We all do it. So why do we do it? We do it because we feel that we don't really own the rules. Somebody else is throwing us those rules, which is why the spirit of the stuff is never, ever, followed. So how do you deal with something like this? By the way, as an aside, I think India has done a pretty decent job as far as the lockdown is concerned. Yes, if it continues further, it is going to lead to a lot of civil unrest. And I'm not getting into that because this is not a political podcast. But what I do know is that India has had the strictest possible lockdown after maybe the Wuhan province in China. And it has done fairly and reasonably well for itself if you see the rate at which the coronavirus has grown. But apart from that, what I did want to say was that there are some times when the states do feel like Kerala or Goa, or where there is no coronavirus or very little instance or the peak has been passed, you might end up feeling quite aggrieved by some of the center rules. Anyway, what I've noticed is, and this is true for organizations, for individuals, and for governments, that guidelines work much better than rules. And if the state or if a city were making its own rules, or if a community is making its own rules, or if a street is making its own rules, then those rules are more likely to be followed because people relate and vibe well with it. But as soon as rules become abstract and they lose their potency, and suddenly the interpretation of the rule becomes all the more important. Which is why I believe that the moment you allow people to make their own rules, and I do understand that it is not feasible in a lot of ways, perhaps the lockdown is one of them. But the moment you allow people to make their own rules based on guidelines, it tends to paradoxically work much better for common objectives to be achieved. Well, this was my diary entry for this lockdown period. I hope you guys are staying safe. Do follow me on Instagram. I make a lot of Instagram stories there, or on LinkedIn. And if you love podcasts like these, well, you have ivmpodcast.com to go to, or the IVM Podcasts app you can always download. Until next time then.
I hope you enjoyed that show. We'd like to thank our sponsors this week, Paytm Money.
Guys, you should definitely check out some of the content that we're doing recently, which is somewhat COVID-related. Pawan's been doing an awesome job on the Pragati podcast. All Think Policy has also got a tremendous number of really, really great episodes about what's going on at the Impact. We talk about this stuff on Cyrus Says, especially in the Cock and Bull episode. On Advertising is Dead, Varun's had a couple of episodes where he's spoken about the impact of this, as is Karthik on the Filter Coffee podcast. And I mean, across the network, definitely do check it out. I'm sure you'll enjoy yourself. Thanks, and please do keep listening.
How many times have you motivated yourself to improve your sleep or lose weight or be more productive? How many times have you failed? Hi, my name is Ashton Doctor. Tune into my show, The Habit Coach Podcast, where we focus on creating small, tiny habits to improve your life instead of those big, impossible tasks. So make listening to me a habit every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on the IVM Podcast app or ivmpodcast.com or on your favorite podcasting app.